The National Weather Service in Topeka has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Shawnee County, southeastern Waubonsee County, northern Osage County, northeastern Lyon County, until 11:30 p.m. At 10:42 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Willard to 6 miles north of Allen, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Topeka, Carbondale, Eskridge, Tecumseh, Richland, Dover, Silver Lake, Auburn, Overbrook, Burlingame, Scranton, Maple Hill, Harveyville, Willard, Pauline, Keene, and Barrytown. This includes the following highways: Interstate 70 between mile markers 340 and 355. Kansas Turnpike between mile markers 153 and 188. A tornado watch remains in effect until 1 a.m. for northeastern and east central Kansas. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.